optimizing 100% of your Google Ads accounts is humanly impossible. There are so many optimizations that are incremental and require a lot of tedious work. You need to continuously take into account hundreds of parameters about your own campaign results, the behavior of your users, your competition, evolution of your product. There are so many things to consider that it's really hard to get it right 100% of the time. So you leave a lot of money on the table, and the perfect solution to solve that are AI agents. AI agents are autonomous agents that are going to be specialized in specific tasks in Google Ads to solve those issues. So for instance, if we take the problem of negative keywords for search campaigns, you want to identify the search terms to exclude quickly before that you spend too much money on them. AI is good for that. So for instance, in Blobr, you go to our library of AI agents to find them, and then you pick the negative keyword AI agent. You select the time period as well you want to apply it, and then you launch the agent. The agent, what it's going to do is to look at several things like PPC experts or agency would do. First, it's going to wonder whether there are some keywords that maybe spend more than the average cost per conversion, if the average cost per conversion is a critical metric for you. Or do the keywords we bid on are relevant to the keywords of my ad group? The search terms, are they aligned in terms of semantics with my ad group? Or even the negative keywords? Are they even relevant to the context of my company? And having a lot of context on your company, it's really powerful to define what are the negative keywords. And then when you have launched the AI agent, you can see the result with a clean table listing all the results of the negative keywords it has found, and as well the reasoning behind how it has found those negative keywords and why it considers those keywords should be added as negative. Really practical to understand the chain of thought and why it considered it. Sometimes it's even like you would not even consider it just looking at looking at the search terms like this, but you realize that the AI has a good reasoning about why you should do it. And once you are good with that, you can export the file that we can upload in Google Ads, because the recommendations are good, but then with our bulk edit function, you can have massive updates directly in Google Ads. So I'm going to Google Ads in the tool section and upload section. I'm going to upload the file and the bulk edit file. And once I've done it and I apply it, it's going to make mass changes that I want. Of course, in between, I could have reviewed it, edited it if I want before uploading it to Google Ads, but really it's practical to keep you in the loop, making sure if you want to update the file as a manual review, if you want to be sure to upload the things that you want directly in Google Ads. But we have AI agents in very different areas for Google Ads. It can help finding hyper-relevant keywords if you want to launch a new campaign, for instance, or even at the account level, what are the good keywords to bid on. It can create as well new headlines and descriptions. It can optimize the keyword CPC bid at a granular level with a regular time frame. And it makes simply your life easier with Google Ads. You can manage many parameters with those AI agents that you can launch in parallel to consider every week what are the changes that you can make, or every day, to continuously optimize your Google Ads. We keep the human in the loop to decide whether those changes, those mass changes, should be applied or not. The process is super easy. In a few minutes, you can download the files and upload it directly in Google Ads. You can try it out directly on our website, blobr.io, trying out our AI agents to reduce your cost and optimize your bidding on Google Ads.